A lot of businesses and workshops now are focusing on having a couple of technicians solely for diagnostic style work, and then having technicians who are responsible for the parts replacement side of things. What are your thoughts on that?
Depending on the size of the business and how many employees are on the floor, I think it's inevitable. Not all technicians have become diagnostic experts. They're unique. They're a unique percentage. Maybe 20% of the technicians I've come across are really going to be the gurus, the go-to people. Of course, if you've got one of those, you're going to put him on the jobs he's most efficient at and keep your other technicians who have got lesser skills to be on the jobs they're most efficient at. It's a balancing act. We all want to lift the standard of all those technicians, but some learn slower and some learn faster. So we tend to put our arms around the ones that can learn faster and do that job more efficiently and so on. So I think it's inevitable in any workplace. It's a balancing act. It's a balancing act between the jobs that come through the workshop, the familiarity of the jobs, the experience of the technician, and the actual information that the owner of the business or the management of the business can provide them with the information to support them.
Yeah.
So it's a juggling act, and it's all relevant to the individual business on what access to information they got and what the skill levels are their technicians are. But I do think in most businesses, and in mine, you'll find there's a couple that excel in that area, so you slot them into that area.
If we talk about the part replacement technicians for one moment here, move past the diagnostic technicians, the part replacement technicians that work efficiently with very little error really form the backbone of workshops, don't they, with their productivity?
Oh, wow. I mean, it's all about productivity in any mechanical repair workshop is how many hours you can sell out of that technician per day. So it makes sense to keep that mechanic on the job he's competent at, because his efficiency is going to be up and be more productive. But again, it's a balancing act, because we don't want to bore that mechanic away from the job and give him the same mundane job day in, day out, where in the end he's going to lose interest and move on.